Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be telling you HTML topic background color. Okay, so how to change background color. So let's get started. So first of all, as I'm using Max, I will use text edit, new document. Okay, so if you are using a window, so you will use a notepad. So open your notepad and draw with me. So in my last video, I told you the structure of HTML. So let's get started. Okay, so write the HTML coding here and then we proceed further. So first of all, we start with a title. The title is website. Okay, you can name anything. For body, for changing the background, we do not need heading and paragraph. Okay. Mm, Now we'll write S, give a space, style style equals to background color to clone, and then we'll I want pink as because it is my favorite. Then I will close. Oh, wait a minute. Yes. Okay, and if you need, you can write a statement also. It is not important or necessary. Okay, but you can write if you want. Okay, so I will write 1 minute. The color of the web page is pink. Okay, now let us save. Command is, I will write website.html. Save. Use HTML. Okay. So I just drag to Google Chrome and it's opened here. Okay. So the color of the web page is pink. So hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe. In my next video I will tell you text color. Bye.